Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Best Advice Ever channel, where no advice is ever given. Alright, so right now, let me turn this down a little bit. This is my little spooky music. It's a bit much. There we go. Now we have music instead of screaming. Alright guys, so I have a newest little passion of awesomeness that I like to do, and it is nail stamping. Now, I haven't posted a video in a long time, and I deleted most of my videos because I don't believe that a platform should get free advertisement on my videos. So this will be up for a while, and then I'll take it down. I don't think this is going to be so popular that it gets revenue for commercials on it without my permission. So that's cool. Anyway, guys, on to the thing. This is from a little company called Maniology, which is the first stamping little gateway that I tried and stuff. And so they have a free some free boxes. I think there's like 3 or 4 that you can choose from, and you only get one, and they do keep track of your email and your account to make sure that you only get one. You don't get 2. I didn't know that. I tried to get another one, and they're like, nope, sorry, we're taking that off your thing. You can pay for it if you want, but you're not getting it. And I said, okay, that's cool. But if you order 2 of the same thing, that's not the free thing, you're stuck with that one. You better just deal with that. All right. So anyway, so this is the latest of the stampings that I've gotten, and I'll do another video on different stampings, and I'll do one where I'm stamping the stuff and doing the reverse stamping and all that great stuff. But anyway, so this is the Halloween one. I don't know what they're gonna do for Halloween, so this is like a little countdown box. And of course, I've already opened everything. So, and I'm excited to actually use it, which I'm going to. Because I got it on Friday the 13th. I'm so happy with it. I can't even tell you. But anyway, the little box of horrors. Open if you dare. I love the packaging. And bum bum bum. I'm going to show you what this looks like up here for a second. Trick or treat. And get all the tricks. I mean, all the treats, no tricks. So it comes with this lovely tissue paper, which is awesome. Now, here we go. Then we've got like all the little numbers and stuff like that. And I'll show you that in a minute. And these are stickers. Like, it's a sticker, but it's not one that you can just peel off like this one is. So I'd have to cut it out and everything, which I'm going to. I'll absolutely do that. But this is a stamp, that's a stamp, he's a stamp, he's a stamp, he's a stamp. Pretty much all these are stamps that are in there. And I can use these guys, which I'm going to. They're going to be fabulous. Alright, that's the stickers. Yay, awesome. Okay, guys, let's see. What was number 1? So this is number 5. You know what? We're just going to go through this. Number 5. It doesn't even matter. Dun, dun, dun. What order we go in? Look at that. This is like, it's a color shifting thing. And can I open it? No, I'm not going to open it. Anyway, it's a color shifting powder that you would put on your stamper. I'll show you how to use it later. I'm not going to explain. Anyway, I have an eyeshadow that matches this. I'm going to have matching nails and eyes. Alright, that's number 5. He is fabulous. And let's just go ahead and do the second one. Number 12. I love the little stickers here. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. They are adorable. Anyone tells you that packaging doesn't matter? It does. It's cute. Oh, look at this. It has like the purple and the blue. It's a color shifting. Another powder for your nails. Again, I have another eyeshadow from Notoriously Morbid that matches this. I'm going to have matching nails and eyes. It'll be amazing. And I'm not going to open that either. Okay, so what we got here? Let's start with the stamp mirror. This is number 2. Oh, they're so cute. This is their crystal clear stamper. I believe he's a monocle. There we go. I don't know why it's not focusing, or maybe it's just my eyes. Anyway, whatever. Oh yeah, he's a so he's the monocle stamper. Is that gonna focus now? It's not. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. Bring it back here. Yeah. Anyway, monocle stamper. I'm wasting, so much time just trying to get that. So the first thing that comes out is their little mini scraper with little ghosties. They're so cute and adorable. Yay. And then, there we go. So look at that. Isn't that just so cute? And that's a stamp. And that's a stamp. Like, all these are stamps. They're on their plates, which I'll show you later. But this is what it looks like. So when you come in, and this is a little jelly stamper here. You'll come in, you'll put your polish down, you'll pick it up. And then when you pick it up, it's going to look like this, right? From the back of it. And so what I'll do is I'll paint on this side. And when I look on the back of it, I can see what it's going to look like on my nail. Isn't that so cool? Oh my god, I love it. It's so fabulous. I'm going to put them back in this box though, because I have a lot of these. I have other ideas I'm going to be using for this, not just stuff. Alright, so now we're going to do the polishes. This is number 4. Yay, awesome. And dun dun dun. This is a stamping polish. I don't ever keep these boxes. So, but they're good to keep if you wanted to. So here we go. And this one is called Raven. Sorry, I don't know if it's the thing or my eyes. Jeez. Oh dear God. There we go. Now you can see it. Raven. Awesome. Now you can see the stuff. Oh, okay. So that's a good one, and I put all my polishes in order by their numbers, so I can find them, or so I can put them back when I'm done with them. All right, this one is number 10. Yay, awesome. And this guy is gonna be a beautiful green. I mean, look at that. That is amazing. And he's called Malice. Oh, I should have done the thing for the video. Oh, I should have done that. Oh, well. It'll be alright. So then we have number 8. And number 8 is... I already know what this one is. This one's my favorite. I've already memorized it. She is Slasher. And she is amazing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the... Now, these are the stamping plates. Number 11, number 9, number 6... number 3, and number 1. Bump, bump, bump. Now, there are people that do much better unboxing videos than me, so I'm just, yeah. So this is a blue film. And so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to peel this off. There we go. You can see what it looks like. And there you go. And that's what the background looks like of my phone as I'm filming. But at the bottom here, there is a number. So it's M243, which is how I'm going to put this in my little thing. There you go. And I'm not going to show you the rest of them because I am going to do some stamping with them. And I'll show you the stamping when I get done. And then, bum, 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 the book, the number 13. The best item ever is the book. It's a stamping book. Oh my gosh. Let me show you this. I already have stamping. I have Halloween stuff in there that they had from last year that they were selling. Because I just started getting stamping stuff for them in like April. I was like, oh my god, I have got to do this. So, there it is. And so this, I believe, was last year. The Happily Never After. And there's that number. And stuff like that. I mean, look at that. Ooh, that is so cool. I love all the creepy things. I mean, they're just pretty awesome. Alright, and everything is top loaded. Which is what I like. I like top loading. I don't like the side loading. It takes too much time, you know? I know, I'm showing you all the ones from last year, not the ones from this year. It'll be okay. And what I want to do is I want to take some of the stuff and I want to make like little scenes on rocks. So this is what the sleeve looks like without anything in it. So, and it has enough room to pull things out and stuff like that. Anyway, so that's it for that. I love the little notebook, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, the case for it. I'm not good at these. So the last thing that comes in this lovely goodie box is this guy. This is a tool. That one was number 7. So watch this. Oh my gosh, I love the little sparkles and stuff. And you got their little logo, 106. But this is what happens: is you open it, and it's a detail brush. So I can take polish and I can detail the little stamps before I actually stamp them. So I am really excited to use this. I have other detail brushes, but I don't have them from them. But anyway, so I'm excited to use this guy. And it also comes with this lovely little stamping card. Dun, 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 dun. And like I said, this is one of their stamps. Then if you look in the back of it, it shows you how to actually stamp right there. It's so cute. And there you go. And then you just stamp all the different little ghosts after you paint them in there. And they're so amazing. They're so fantastic. But anyway. And then it also comes with a Maniology Little Box of Horrors countdown book. I'm not going to read this. I'm pretty sure someone else has read this. This was really awesome. As I was opening this with one of my friends at work, I was like, dun dun dun, and I would read the little things before I opened the stuff. But anyway, so that's my little box of horrors. Go forth, be fabulous, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.